Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pack skip on OmeTV without OBS Studio. This is the easiest way to do that. You need to download and install Firefox browser and Minicam to your PC. I have Minicam version 5.1.0 installed on my PC. Also I have downloaded OmeTV pack skip video from YouTube. You need to search it on YouTube and download it. Once all needed things are ready, you have to open Minicam. In Minicam, you can see this kind of interface. First, I am going to open Minicam settings. And I am going to click on Generals. In Generals, you can see you can change Minicam virtual camera name. Just type Logitech Cam on that and click on Rename. Now exit Minicam. Now open Volume Mix on your PC and click on System Sounds. Then go to the recordings and find Minicam microphone. Right click on that and disable it. I have already disabled it. Now again open Minicam. After that, add your webcam. Now again add OmeTV skip video. Now select that and resize it. Go to the image and you can change resolution. I go with default settings. Now I will zoom it little bit and go to the playlist and click on loop. After that, go to the text and untick Show Minicam logo. You need to buy premium to use that feature. Now in webcam, you can adjust settings as you wish. Now check again that your Minicam name has changed or not and exit Minicam. Now open Firefox and go to the OmeTV. In OmeTV, you can select webcam and microphone. Select Logitech Cam and your working microphone. After that, allow it. Now your Minicam working with OmeTV. Now minimize your browser and open Minicam. Now you can see it's working. Now I am going to adjust few settings on Minicam. You can skip this if you don't need. Now I will show you side by side. You can change between webcam and video with clicking on cut. I hope this video will help you. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.